Hi, my name is Callie Bofilatos and I'm the head of data and process modeling for CLDRM.
I am Voigt and I am CLDRM's lead developer.
Hi guys, my name is Rozen and I'm head of technological development in CLDRM.
Hi, my name is Ruco Pretorius. I'm the team leader and one of the developers of CLDRM.
Hi, I'm Manon Holman. I am head of design and process modeling for CLDRM.
CLDRM is a startup company by a group of students. We aim to specialize in software development and systems development.
And what we basically stand for is innovation, doing things differently and placing an utmost focus on quality.
CLDRM, Callie, Luke, David, Ruco, Manon. It's who we are and it's what we do. So our client is the Department of Forensic Medicine for the University of Pretoria, and they are situated on the university's Princehof campus, their medical campus.
They handle the orchestration of the entire forensic pathology faculty on campus. They're also closely related and work very closely with the Pretoria Forensic Pathology Services just across the road from them for conducting and preparing medico-legal autopsies and the documentation.
The main problem that our clients had was that they had to capture all their autopsies manually, and when a case happened to come up that they needed to find all the information for, they usually struggled to gather all the information, where we built a system where they can capture everything in a centralized system and by the click of one button be able to have all the information for the specific case on hand.
Certain problems that the client had was document management, accountability, as well as a basis for statistical analysis.
So we've built them a document management system.
We decided to create an online platform for them, which allows them access 24/7 to get onto their system. The documents are all kept in a centralized location, and there's also added security.
We developed a web-based platform primarily because of the great accessibility that affords a solution like this. It allows pathologists to work from various geographic locations. A lot of hybridization currently in the department. They badly want to move to digital solutions and digital platforms for data management and case management. So what CLDRM tried to do was, as Callie said, is to come in and to work with digitizing the entire platform, to create a solution that they can use from start to finish to capture all of the information and manage all of their autopsies and cases digitally.
We gather all the information in one central repository so our system can generate reports for court and for other medical reasons.
This module gave me time management skills. It helped me work very closely with a group and working with people all the time.
I learned so much web development. We taught ourselves as much of the bleeding edge technologies as we could.
Patience plays a very, very big role. Innovation plays a big role, research, and I think finally camaraderie is a good one to mention. It's not technically a skill, but it does do wonders.
We learned almost some of the newest technologies available for web development, and that was unbelievably useful.
Welcome to DocuPath. In order to access the DocuPath system, provide your registered user credentials and click the login button. This takes you to the home screen from which system functionality can be accessed. To add an access level, select Access Levels from the main menu and add Access Level at the top of the page. Provide a name, toggle on the appropriate function groups, and activate the required access areas. Click Save once you're done. To view the details of an access level, locate it via the search bar and click the View icon. To edit an access level, click the Edit icon. And to remove an access level, click the Delete icon. Confirm deletion on the pop-up dialog. To add a user, click Users from the main menu, select a desired number of tokens, and click Generate Tokens. Provide access level details and destinations, and click Generate Tokens. To start the registration process, the user clicks the link in their email. The user provides all of their relevant details and clicks Save and Exit when done. The user has now been added to the system. To view your profile, use View Profile on the My Profile drop-down menu. This displays all of your details. To update your profile, use Update Profile on the same drop-down menu. Change your details as needed. A super user can also view and toggle the status of a user profile. To view, search for it using the search bar and click the View icon. To delete, search and click the Delete icon. Confirm deletion on the pop-up dialog. To compile the monthly duty roster, click Monthly Duty Roster from the main menu. Use the provided grid system to allocate users to every session on every day, and type comments if required. This can be repeated for the current and next calendar month. At the top of the page, you can either cancel, save the changes, or finalize the monthly duty roster for the current month. If the Finalize button is clicked, the system will verify that all of the outstanding duty allocations have been accepted. The finalization process will only succeed if all of these allocations have been accepted. Users should accept or reject duty allocations made to them via their personal Neuron Notification Center. Simply locate each allocation and either accept or reject appropriately using the handling buttons. Throughout this process, your personal schedule is visible by clicking Personal Schedule from the main menu. The default schedule view is Month View, and all of the details of any event can be viewed by simply clicking on the label. Backwards and forwards navigation is provided in any of the calendar views. The calendar view can also be changed at the top right of the screen between year, month, day, and week view. To add a service provider, click Service Providers from the main menu and add Service Provider at the top of the page. Provide all of the service provider's company and representative details, and once you're done, click Save and Exit. To view the details of a service provider, locate it via the search bar and click the View button. All of the representative and company details are displayed. To edit the service provider, locate it via the search bar and click the Edit button. Change any of the required details as needed. To delete, click the Delete button and confirm deletion on the pop-up dialog. To add a content tag, select Content Tags from the main menu, followed by Add Content Tag at the top of the page. Specify tag text and select a category, subcategory, and condition for the tag. Click Save and Exit once you're done. To view a content tag, locate it via the search bar and click the View icon. All of the content tag's details are displayed. To update a content tag, locate it by the search bar and click the edit icon. Change the required content tag's details as needed. To delete a content tag, simply click the delete button next to the relevant content tag. Bear in mind that this page will perform deletions without confirmation. To add a forensic case, click Forensic Cases from the main menu, followed by Add Forensic Case at the top of the page. All forensic case captures starts with capturing core forensic case data. This is the minimum set of information that must be provided for a forensic case to exist on the system. Take your time here, provide all of the core data for the forensic case, and click Next section when you're done. After core data capture, observations are up next. This is a big section and has been sped up for the demonstration, but requires utmost attention. Provide all of the relevant observations related to the case that arose as a result of the autopsy in as much detail as is required using the rich text editors for every section. Include accurate measurements and any other observations deemed necessary. Click Next section when you're done. After observations comes service request capturing. This is done in two stages. First, basic information for a desired number of service requests, followed by more specific and detailed information. Take time here as well to properly define and populate all of the fields for every service request and specimen, as this information will be passed on to service providers. Note that detailed information will only be captured for the number of service requests captured initially. Click Next section when you're done. After service request capture, media items. Click the Browse button, navigate to the directory where the files are contained, and select the relevant media files to upload. These are loaded into the system as previews. Click the Upload button to upload the selected files to the system, and the system will take you to the Details Capture page. On the Details page, provide captions, descriptions, and tags for all of the items uploaded. And click Next section when you're done. After media items comes additional evidence item capture. These items are more document-related items that do not belong necessarily in the media repository. Follow the same process for uploading and capturing details. Note here that detail capture will also only take place for the number of additional evidence items uploaded. Click Next section when you're done. The next section is the cause of death estimation section. In this section, up to 4 cause of death estimations can be made, along with an accompanying motivation. Click Next section when you're done. The last section of forensic case capture is the statistics section. This is another big section containing lots of information related to general statistics of the case. Click the Save and Complete button, and the forensic case has been successfully added to the system. To view a forensic case, locate it via the search bar and click the View icon. This displays a page with all of the case's information consolidated into one view. Inline viewing of linked items is possible by means of the view icon next to each item. To update a forensic case, locate it via the search bar and click the Edit button. This takes you to the Forensic Cases Update Hub, from where a specific section of the case can be accessed. A demonstration of the flexibility afforded by the Update Hub approach follows. To lock a forensic case, click the lock icon next to the relevant case and confirm locking via the pop-up dialog. To unlock a forensic case, click the unlock icon and confirm unlocking via the pop-up dialog, providing a reason for the unlock. To delete a forensic case, click the delete icon and confirm deletion via the pop-up dialog. To migrate a forensic case, click the migrate icon. On the migration page, select the destination author and provide a custom migration message. Click Save and Exit when you're done. Certain system actions require super-user authorization, for example deleting forensic cases. To authorize such a request, open the Neuron Notification Center and locate the request. Use the action buttons on the request to handle it appropriately. The Neuron Notification Center also presents information notifications. These are accompanied only by an OK button to signify reception of the notification. To view a service request, click Service Requests from the main menu and locate it via the search bar. Click the View icon next to the desired service request. For active service requests, no External Report tab is displayed. For closed service requests, the external report is visible on the External Report tab. To cancel a service request, locate it via the search bar and click the Cancel icon. Confirm cancellation with the pop-up dialog. To link an external report, locate the service request and click the Link icon. You have a choice to link either an existing or a new report. To link a new report, select the file to upload and the date that it was received. To link an existing report, use the drop-down list to select any of the most recent 30 reports uploaded to the system. To add an external review case, click External Review Cases from the main menu, followed by Add External Review Case. Provide all of the details and click Save to continue. To view an external review case, locate it via the search bar and click the View icon. External review case details are displayed on the left and the current cover letter and report on the right. Inline previews of both are available. To update an external review case, locate it via the search bar and click the Edit icon. Provide case details and select the appropriate documentation. Inline previews are available. Click Save and Exit to continue. To delete an external review case, click the Delete icon and confirm deletion with the pop-up dialog. To lock an external review case, click the Lock icon and again confirm the lock. In order to unlock an external review case, a reason is required. Click the Unlock icon, provide a reason, and click Finalize. To add a legacy case, select Legacy Cases followed by Add Legacy Case. Provide all of the legacy case's details and select the documentation to upload. Inline previews are available. Click Save and Exit to continue. To view a legacy case, locate it via the search bar and click the View icon. The details and documents for the case is displayed, again providing inline previews. To update a legacy case, click the Edit icon, change the relevant details, and provide additional documentation. Click Save and Exit once you're done. To delete a legacy case, locate it and click the Delete icon. Confirm deletion via the pop-up dialog. To add media items outside of a case, click the Media Repository icon on the main menu, followed by Add Media. Select the items to upload. Inline previews are again available. Click Upload when you're ready. Next comes data capture, provide all of the relevant details for the uploaded items, and click Save and Exit. The items have been added to the system. To view a media item, locate it via the search bar and click the View icon. All of the media details, including content tag code, is displayed. To delete an item, locate it via the search bar and click the Delete icon. Confirm deletion via the pop-up dialog. To maintain an item's tags, locate it via the search bar and click the Edit icon. Proceed to manipulate the list of tags as required, and click Save and Exit when you're done. To generate a variety of reports, click Insight Reporting from the main menu. Start by selecting the report to generate. The parameters will adapt accordingly. Next up is time frame. For this demonstration, we're using a custom time frame. Select your parameters. And finally, view the report summary and click Generate. This displays the live preview page for the selected report, displaying the interactive report that was generated. Options for distributing the generated report by printing is accessible from the top of the page. To view the System Health dashboard, click Vision Dashboard from the main menu. This displays all of the available vision metrics for the system. Hover over each to get more information. Visual metrics are also available per subsection, which includes detailed graphical representations of system data. Click Refresh to pull the latest set of metrics. Super users can also interact with the audit trail by clicking Audit Trail from the main menu, locating the desired transaction, and clicking the View icon. Any changes in record states are highlighted in yellow. To update the content tag repository from the latest set of ICD-10 XML codes, click the Update Repository icon, select the XML addendum to upload, an inline preview is available, and click Upload and Proceed. Context-sensitive help is available from anywhere within the system by simply clicking the Help icon at the top of the page. This brings up the Haptic Help Center side panel with collapsible help topics, including a dynamic search and filter function. Similarly to context-sensitive help, the centralized Haptic Help Center page contains the entire system's help topics. The same familiar search and filter functionality is also available. To capture and retrieve autopsy schedules, click Daily Autopsy Schedule from the main menu. To upload and capture a schedule, select the file, again an inline preview is available, and click the Upload button. Retrieval of autopsy schedules happens on the same page. Click the date and click Retrieve. Super users can also maintain system parameters by clicking System Parameters on the main menu, proceeding to select any of the variety of available parameter sets to maintain, and adjusting the system parameter values as needed. Click Save and Exit once parameter maintenance is complete. Should there be a system malfunction, the error page will appear. View details of the error by expanding the panel, and use the Report Error button to dump the error to a text file and alert the developers. Non-critical errors are handled in place by the DocuPath red warning bar. Upon completion of a session, use the Logout button on the My Profile menu to log out of the system. Should you have forgotten your password, it is easily retrievable during the login process. Simply click the Reset button and provide your registered email address, and click Send Password Reset link. The F1 key toggles context-sensitive help, the F2 key toggles the Neuron Notification Center, the F3 key toggles the built-in browser search function. The Control and Home key combination will attempt to navigate to the home page. Confirmation is required if data loss could occur. On the home page, the 1, 2, and 3 keys toggle the cortex, cornea, and pulse menu items, respectively. The system includes various flexibility enhancements. These are predominantly found at the top of each page. The toggle table density function cycles between 3 levels of density for displayed tables. The toggle thumbnail size function switches between 2 thumbnail sizes for quick viewing. And lastly, the expand and collapse function reduces any collapsible panels to their collapsed state. As demonstrated throughout this video, inline viewing is also available to eliminate unnecessary redirects. A preference-based dark user interface is also available. Simply update your profile and specify dark theme. On your next login or redirect, the system will make use of the dark interface. This concludes the DocuPath system walkthrough.